Hi everybody, welcome back to the Inspiration channel. So I do have some information today to share about Dogecoin. So if you are a Doge holder or if you are looking into Dogecoin, this video is definitely for you. Please stay tuned. I will be right back so we can go ahead and walk through what I have for Dogecoin and also discuss what the future for Dogecoin is looking like. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Hello there. So thank you for staying tuned with me. Let's go ahead and dive into what I have to share with you. So I'm on CoinMarketCap, and as we can see today, the price for Dogecoin has went up 8% currently as we speak, and a lot of that has to do with some great information that is going around with Bitcoin, and also a possible collaboration between Dogecoin and Ethereum, which hasn't been confirmed yet, but a lot of that is causing the price of Dogecoin to rise. And as we know, whenever the price of Bitcoin rises, Bitcoin is really the controller or the biggest influencer of all other cryptos in the crypto market, and I'm sure we already know that. So there is some great news going on around, one for Bitcoin and two for Ethereum and Dogecoin. So let's look into what is going on with Bitcoin. So apparently I did read this earlier yesterday, but I wanted to confirm before making a video about it. But apparently El Salvador has accepted Bitcoin as a legal tender. So what that means is that people can pay with crypto, with Bitcoin, just as they would with their local currency. And this has been causing the market to rise. And if we read through here, this is some news that I was reading, and I'll share the link down below. It said the crypto market has bounced back on Wednesday, which is today, with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. As we can see, whenever the price of Bitcoin either goes down or up, it does affect some other major players, and really with the new players as well. So and Dogecoin also in signs of recovery following a major price crash at the start of the week. The cryptocurrencies were boosted by news from El Salvador that BTC will officially be recognized as a legal tender. Now, take note of that. That is huge, allowing people to use it to pay for food and services in the Central American country. All right, and so just by that alone, that boosted the price of Bitcoin today by 5% at the time this was posted. And as we are looking at it currently, it actually went up to 13%, which is way more than, which is up above the 36,000 resistance level that we were kind of targeting for the past week. So it did go down a bit, but now, as we can see, it's gone past that resistance. So that is great news. Hopefully the trend continues, and if that continues, we should expect to see the price of Dogecoin follow suit on that. Okay, now that was just one piece of why the price of Dogecoin is going up and why Dogecoin seems to be having a brighter future. The other news is that, as we know, Elon Musk has had a lot of influence in the crypto market and really in the whole stock market as a whole. But we do see something. For example, let's go through here. Elon Musk agrees with Vitalik Buterin on Dogecoin and Ethereum collaboration. Now, this hasn't confirmed anything yet, but apparently what happens is, as we know, Elon Musk has been pushing to make Dogecoin a better utility coin, and so he did have some talks with the devs in the past weeks, as we know. But recently, Vitalik was interviewed in an interview, and when they asked him about a possible collaboration with Ethereum, between Ethereum and Dogecoin, this is what he said, right? He said, if Doge wants to somehow bridge to Ethereum, which means have some kind of a network with Ethereum, and then people can trade Doge thousands of times a second to make transactions faster. That's what he was referring to inside of Loopring. Then that would be amazing. So he's supporting the idea if Doge wants to do that, and I think this is something that Elon has been pushing for, some sort of collaboration like that. And to make it even better, Elon Musk also tweeted back to that interview comment and said, I pretty much agree with Vitalik. This is great news, guys. This may happen, it may not happen, but just by them starting this kind of talks, I think they are definitely gonna work something out. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention. Now, that is not to say that it's gonna happen, right? But I think Elon is trying to push Dogecoin the highest that he can, and we should expect to see Dogecoin price continue to rise. Also, if we go back to the Bitcoin being accepted in El Salvador, that is not the end of it. If you scroll down to this news here, there is some other countries that seem to be interested in that. They say, could other countries follow El Salvador? And if you read that, if you read down below here, several other countries in Latin America could soon follow suit, with politicians in Argentina, Brazil, Mexico, Panama, and Paraguay all expressing an interest in the cryptocurrency. So this is huge. If any of these countries come out to accept Bitcoin as well, these other countries and even more, we should expect them to also adopt Bitcoin or even other currencies or even Dogecoin. We don't know yet, but all this is looking great to me. With all this news going on, guys, I think Dogecoin is definitely having a brighter future. As we can see, this thing is falling past below its all-time high, right? It's way below where it was about a month ago, 69 cents. Now, if you ask my opinion, I do think Dogecoin can possibly rise past the 69 cents. I actually think Dogecoin can go to $1 in the near future, and in the long term, who knows what this thing may become. Dogecoin is become more than just a community coin, right? The sentiment in the market is big right now for the Doge community, and this is kind of like the case where you take something that has no meaning and make it has meaning. That's what Elon is trying to do with Dogecoin, and a lot of people are beginning to accept this coin as merchandise payment, which is all adding more utility to Dogecoin. Now, if you ask a lot of people, they say Dogecoin is not a utility coin, but with all these things happening, it's possible that we're going to see more utility with Dogecoin, and I'm very positive that Dogecoin definitely is beginning to have a brighter future. Now, we haven't only seen that in the previous all-time high, but all these things that are happening, yes, is pushing Dogecoin to even go higher. Now, one thing that I also wanted to mention is that with Dogecoin getting all these great news, 7% or 8% rise is still not as the all-time high, right? But let's not forget that the whole market is crashing. Bitcoin itself, even though it's getting some push today by El Salvador news, and also with the market gradually beginning to rise, I think this market is still the crypto market is still going to struggle for a little bit longer. So both Dogecoin holders and Bitcoin holders, and really all other crypto holders, right, we gotta be patient because this market is definitely gonna recover. Some people are saying that Bitcoin is not gonna go past the 36,000 resistance. I don't think so. I see this thing going past its all-time high and even going up above 100k. Now, that is not to say go invest in Bitcoin or go invest in Dogecoin. I'm only sharing what I know and what I'm hearing in the market, and I'm sharing what I believe in to you guys. So please do your own due diligence before investing in any of these. This is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing this news with you, but feel free to read the news, follow their Telegram. Just do your own research before you invest in any of these. But overall, I do think Dogecoin definitely has a future and it's going to grow, and so does Bitcoin. Please don't forget to leave your comments down below. Also subscribe and like this video so I can continue to be bringing more videos to you. Support the channel and support the community. Until then, I'll talk to you all later. Take care and be safe.